Golden words. Speaking softly and using polite words is a quality that is appreciated by all. Part of polite speech is the magic words or the golden words that all children must learn. Golden words are like jewels. They help you shine and make you stand apart. Some of the golden words are thank you. When someone gives you something, you say thank you. Thank you is the word they need to say to express gratitude. Excuse me. When you don't hear something for the first time, you say excuse me. The word gains more importance when they empathize with others. Sorry. When you do something wrong and you realize your mistake. To apologize, you say sorry. Children need to be taught to take responsibility for their actions and say sorry when they hurt or offend someone. Good morning. After you wake up in the morning, you greet your loved ones with good morning. You should say good morning to everyone you meet in the morning for the first time. Your teachers, friends, helpers, etc. Good night. Before going to bed at night, you wish your loved ones good night. Saying good night is a special exchange between parents and kids. Wishing your kids a good night before sleeping is a good habit. Please. When you request someone to give you something, you say please. Requesting by saying please is also a good lesson in instilling humility in children.